Hello and welcome to this live demonstration of the Crew platform. My name is Sam Nemwange, the Director of Programs at Crew for All, and I will be taking you through this demonstration. Now we're going to learn a little bit about Crew for All, the organization. The Crew platform will go through the features and the outcomes that you potentially will get out of the Crew platform, and will demonstrate three particular communities that have done very well building online communities using the Crew platform. Now, Crew for All is a tech nonprofit, and we are dedicated to creating practical tech solutions for impact organizations. We have existed for more than a decade, and we have built a powerful, fully customizable web and mobile app that you can use to equip, train, and connect your communities of change. We have been built to serve organizations that have community at their core. We work with organizations who try to mobilize and equip their communities to solve critical problems and advance positive social change. We have been designed to support and host programs like volunteer movements, fellowships and accelerators, education movements, competitions, and associations and coalitions. Now, this is a bit of the overview of the technology that we use. Our platform is the underlying tech infrastructure that supports the creation and management of online communities within Crew. Now, the platform provides the foundational frameworks for organizations and nonprofits to build and customize their community platforms. Each organization can create a community or many communities. Communities are distinct virtual spaces created within the platform that facilitate interaction, collaboration, and communication among the members. Each community is independent and is linked to the overarching Crew platform. This allows organizations to tailor their spaces to their specific needs, goals, and objectives. Our features have been made by movement builders for movement builders. We are consistently informed by the usage of our partners. The platform can help you to host all your community engagement needs in one place. Our features can easily be distributed into three major groups: program management tools, member management tools, and powerful admin tools. Let's look at program management tools. Now, these are tools that can help you undertake online education on the platform, training, you can undertake task and project management, you can host resource centers, and you also have reward systems that promote gamification. Some of the features available for you to manage your programs include a dashboard, tracks library, curriculums, Crew commons, forms, events, and other gamification tools. The dashboard that you can see on the right side of your screen is basically your landing page that has available groups and curated tracks for the user. Tracks or modules on the left side are basically structured learning paths or sequence of activities and resources that have been designed to guide users through a specific topic or skill set. Now, what happens when you put many tracks together? You find a track library. The track library is basically a repository where all tracks that are available to a certain user are stored and they can access them from there. If you put together a couple of tracks in a structured learning sequence, then you form a curriculum. The curriculum is basically multiple tracks put together in a particular order to facilitate ordered learning. Now, Crew Commons is a free market space where nonprofits can share their curricula with other organizations. You also have forms, which are customizable and you can use to collect information from users. You also can host events on the platform. Basically, schedule your activities, meetings, and webinars so that you keep reminding the participants of your platform that these things are happening. Now, on gamification, you have access to points, badges, and prizes. Points are elements that reward users for their participation, and you can assign them as you wish. 0 per action, 100 per action, and so on. Badges are visual representations of achievements and milestones made by users. This can be given or can be earned when they finish a particular set of actions, say completing a track or completing a track 2 times, and so on. On the other hand, you have prizes, which are tangible rewards that are given to users for their participation, engagement, or achievements within the communities. Remember, badges are visual representations and prizes are tangible rewards. So if you have budget to buy t-shirts, bags, hats, or whatever you may think about, then you can use the platform to manage and give these rewards using our reward inventory system. On the member management tools, you have functionalities that have mandatory member management, including teams and roles. You can create mini communities and target content, you can promote communication and announcements, and also have activity fields, conversations, and discussion forums. Basically, think about this as your very own social media. Now, teams are groups of users within a community that collaborate on specific projects and initiatives. And roles, on the other hand, are defined responsibilities and permissions assigned to users within the platform. Each user must be a member of a team and they must have 2 particular roles. Now, the roles that we are talking about are either community roles or user roles. Community roles are roles that pertain to the broader community. You have 3 options here. You can either assign a person as a regular member, as an administrator, or as a coordinator. Now, user roles are defined by each individual community, and they're specific to the individual users based on their activity and contributions. Think about them as a tool that supports the team. So, for example, you may have a team of a particular school, but then within the school, you have a chairperson, you have current students, and you may have alumni. So those are user roles. They are defined by the particular community. You also have team pages, which are dedicated spaces that each team has to provide information about the activities of the team members within the online community. Team tags are assigned levels that help you categorize teams on specific criteria, such as function, department, or projects. They help you in organizing and filtering teams within the community. And groups, a subset of users within community who share common interests and objectives. Groups basically facilitate discussions, resource sharing, collaboration around members of similar goals. Now, you as an admin, you have access to powerful admin tools, including the admin panels that you can see on the left side of the screen. Some of the things that you can do as an admin is to fully customize your platform, including with the branding, ensuring that it looks and feels like your own organization and sort of like an extension of your website. You have fully customizable settings depending on how you want to use the platform. You can customize content and experience to different people on the platform. You can also integrate the platform with maps, calendars, measuring with Google Analytics, integrating donations or payment using Stripe, and your CRM needs using Salesforce. You also have management and analytics tools that help you manage the rewards, that help you manage volunteerships if you wish during an event, and also build reports to track engagement on the platform. The platform also has very strong and up-to-date security protocols to ensure you are not hacked. Now, these are some of the outcomes that are consistent from the communities and the nonprofits that use the Crew platform. The current members have reported an increase in operational efficiency. They've been able to document their program. They've been able to strengthen the sense of community within their people, build quality relationships, collect stories and metrics that they use for fundraising, enhancing member participation, expanding reach and scalability, and also being able to identify natural leaders within their communities. Now, this is a bit about how the platform looks. Once you log in, you are taken to the dashboard. Remember, the dashboard is basically your central landing page or homepage for your community platform. And any community will have a dashboard that sort of looks like this. The dashboard serves as the primary interface for members to access essential features, resources, and information. At the very top of the dashboard, you have the navigation bar. The navigation bar is a user interface element located at the top of the screen that contains a set of clickable icons and links to ensure that users are able to navigate between different sections, pages, and features of the platform. Second, you have the admin panels. The admin panels are basically dedicated sections or interfaces within the crew platform that are accessible to only administrators or coordinators of our community. So this is essential because members will not have access to the admin panels, but administrators and coordinators will have access to the admin panels. Third, you have the groups available to users. These are the distinct sub-communities that we spoke about earlier that are able to facilitate collaboration, communication, and interaction. Number 4, you're able to curate a couple of tracks on the dashboard. These are basically speculated areas that are displayed on the dashboard to showcase curated collections of resources, courses, or content available to members. You also have available or upcoming events and top conversations within the platform. Now, I will show you 3 examples of organizations that have used the Crew platform and are continuing to use them for the good of the work that they do. This is the Greater Sam Foundation's platform. The Greater Sam Foundation is a nonprofit accelerator that is dedicated to fostering innovation and supporting nonprofit startups. GSF provides tools, grants, and guidance to help this organization thrive. Now, they operate this platform as a virtual incubator. The incubator trains nonprofit organizations on financial strategies and management for free. Over 6 weeks, the leaders go through the content that you now see on your screen. They're able to learn about budgeting, fundraising, marketing, pitching, and so on. They have a strong emphasis on storytelling as a tool for fundraising. Now, because people are able to go through their content on the platform, the virtual incubator has really helped the organizations to effectively support their leaders and to establish a solid financial foundation for the organizations. This structured and comprehensive program has made a significant difference in helping these nonprofits achieve their sustainability and growth. Now, you can see that this dashboard is completely different from the original dashboard that we saw. This is what we call white labeling. This essentially looks like an extension of the Greater Sam's platform or website and brand. Next, we have the Seeds Online Network. This is an online network by an organization called Seeds of Fortune. They are a nonprofit scholars program and they focus on eliminating barriers to building wealth through education, financial literacy, and career and development skills. How do they use the Crew platform? They run 4 high school programs and 1 university programs on the Crew platform. And they have been able to move to this online programming, which has been very transformative for them, allowing them to scale their operations significantly. By placing all program information online and assigning it to specific teams and roles, the Seeds of Fortune has made their programs more accessible and eliminating the need for participants to travel long distances for training sessions. This shift to the Crew platform has been a game changer for them, and it has created immense scaling opportunities. The online format has removed logistical barriers, which makes it easier for scholars to then participate in programs and benefit from the education and career development resources that are provided. Next, we have Cheeseworld by FeelGood. FeelGood empowers college students in the US as changemakers who run their own nonprofit delis, specializing in gourmet grilled cheese sandwiches. These delis serve as vehicles for social entrepreneurship, self-reliance, and global citizenship, with profits invested in programs aimed at sustainably eradicating poverty. Now, how do they use Cheeseworld? Good. Cheeseworld is their online youth engagement platform and is hosted on the Crew platform. It is available to existing members, and it serves as an innovative incentive program where students can earn what they call cheese points. This right here. By completing education and leadership challenges, the students earn these points and they can then convert them into investment capital for their personal development and daily growth. Cheeseworld has successfully engaged students in a meaningful activities that contribute to ending hunger. By rewarding students for their hard work and leadership with investment capital, FeelGood has created a powerful model of youth empowerment and social impact. The Crew platform has enabled this innovative program and enhances community building, incentivizing world-changing actions among students. There you have it. Those are 3 examples of 3 organizations using the Crew platform for different reasons and using it in different ways to engage their communities. The Crew platform is free. This is our gift to volunteer movement, accelerators, and education programs working to create a world where all life can thrive. This is made possible by generous contributions from our donors. If this excites you, please go ahead and create your own community available on crewforall.org/build your crew. Once you build your crew community, you will have access to our crew tutorials and online support platform. And there you will have access to what we call the Build Your Crew course. This is a course that consists of 10 self-paced modules that focuses on program design methodologies, platform functionality orientation, and a step-by-step guide to building your own platform, building your own community as you engage with the people and other admins. You also have access to the admin panel masterclasses that were done last year, now available on our YouTube platform. Just go over to YouTube and search for Crew for All, and you will get access to the admin panel masterclasses that helps you go through and understand all the functionalities available on the platform. Thank you so much for tuning into this demonstration. We hope you have gained a thing or two about the Crew platform, and we hope to see you building your own community. If you have any challenges, please email them to support@proof4all.org. Thank you very much and goodbye.